As you guys know that TikTok and Capcut has been banned by the US government. To cover the gap, Wondershare Filmora 14 is in the market with a lot of crazy AI features and creative effects. Now let me show you what kind of creativity that Wondershare is cooking inside the Wondershare Filmora 14. So before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then do please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. So the first crazy AI feature of Wondershare Filmora 14 is AI image to video feature. This tool is really helpful if you want to convert your image to the video format. In the image to video section, you have a lot of varieties of AI kiss, hug your love, AI fight, bending and take, and much more. And another reason of choosing Wondershare Filmora 14 is its crazy assets. Inside the Wondershare Filmora 14, you have a large variety of the transition that you can use in your videos, and also you have many crazy visual effects that you can use in your videos. Inside the sticker tab, you have the option to add the like and subscribe animations in your videos. Also there is a tab called stock media in which you have a large variety of free of copyright stock media. And also in the audio tab, you have the option to generate your own AI music or your own AI sound effect. Also you can do the keyframe animation according to your preference. If you check out the AI tools, then there are a large variety of AI tools that can help in your daily life video editing. You have the option of the chroma key, AI portrait cutout, smart cutout, AI object remover, motion tracking, planet tracking, stabilization, video denoise and lens correction. You also have the option to change the layout of your editing software. If you are editing the short video, then you can simply switch to the short video layout. So if you find that this software is really helpful and worth it, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14. I hope this video really helped. If this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.